Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name's Presley. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I am so happy you're here because today I have an outfits video. Now, you may have seen other videos on how to style the white t-shirt. People style them with skirts and jeans and overalls and funky pants and trousers. But I realized something. I don't think the average person has a plethora of different bottoms to be playing around with, but I think that everybody probably has a good old pair of jeans. So today I'm bringing you 10 outfits without changing my shirt or my pants. That's right, we're keeping this exact base outfit and I'm going to be creating 10 different looks. Now you might be thinking, Presley, how are you going to make 10 different looks without changing your clothes? Well, I'll tell you, beautiful viewer. I'm going to be transforming these outfits using only accessories and shoes and outerwear, most of which was actually thrifted. So let's get right into it. For the first couple of looks, we are keeping it super simple. I threw on this brown belt. And a belt is a great way to accessorize any basic outfit as it adds definition and also another element of color. I of course have on my favorite white tennis shoes, perfect for any casual day. And to finish off the look, I added this brown backpack to tie in with the color of my belt. You could end the look here, but I think a great addition to any simple outfit is to add some type of hair accessory. I opted for this yellow floral scrunchie, and that's the look. Next up, this look is just as casual, but a bit of a summery take on it. I added these brown strappy sandals and a dainty choker to keep the accessories super simple. To add a bit of color to this outfit, I threw on this hair scarf as well as this very summery tote bag. This look is perfect for any casual occasion, maybe lunch out with the girls or thrifting with my husband. Another way to spice up this basic look is to add accessories in your favorite bold color. I traded my hair scarf for this yellow one and added on these mustard shoes. Fun fact, these are actually the shoes that I wore on my wedding day. We had a very casual, intimate ceremony, and these were the perfect addition to my simple white dress. I love any chance that I get to break these out. They bring back great memories, and they make me feel very happy and reminiscent. Finishing off the look, I'm reaching again for my brown backpack. I really like the color combo of brown, white, and yellow. Sticking with that color scheme, I have this cute and kind of silly jacket that I thrifted for just a couple of dollars. It's giving me that grandma-inspired fashion. It totally reminds me of something my great aunt would have worn, and it just brings me a lot of joy. I would rock this look going to yard sales, tending to my vegetable garden, or even at a thrift store. If you don't have a specific jacket like this, you could definitely go for just a plain denim jacket and rock that denim on denim trend. I know this look might not be for everybody, but at the end of the day, you really just gotta wear what makes you happy, it makes you feel comfortable, and brings you the most joy. Speaking of joy, I love the way that this outfit came together. I have on this little sun hat that I just added a colorful hair scarf to. And I love the way that the colors of the tote bag tie in with the colors on the band of my hat. This look is so summery, so happy, and I would totally wear this to an outdoor swap meet or a farmer's market. I love to add hats. I know that hats aren't everybody's vibe, but they are both stylish and practical. And if a sun hat isn't your thing, you could totally swap for a baseball cap or a bucket hat as well. I feel like hats are very underrated and they're so great for spring and summer to keep the sun out of your face. And of course, my cat had to make an appearance in this video, so please enjoy that. We are now moving into the layering portion of this video. These next couple outfits involve more outerwear. I have on this feminine kimono that of course is thrifted. And to dress up the outfit a bit, I added these layered necklaces. That's a great way to elevate any outfit, is with your favorite jewelry. I also added these very cool jewel detail sandals that I borrowed from my mom. Thanks, Mom. And I really love the way that the jewel tones tie in with the shades of the florals in the kimono. I think that it's little details like that that really make an outfit feel cohesive and stylized. And you may have noticed that the brown belt has stuck around for the last couple outfits, and it's not going anywhere yet. I think that it just makes a very good addition to the outfit, and it's very easy to tie in with my brown backpack. I would wear this to like dinner on the beach. I think it's very coastal, and I love the way it came together. Another way to transform this very simple outfit is to reach for your favorite cardigan. Mine features a neutral color palette that I think looks very sophisticated and classy. To accessorize the look, I added some hair clips that match the colors of my cardigan. And to dress it up a bit more, I did add some more bling. I think this look is a great option for any family get-together, maybe a casual dinner or something. It's great because you're still just wearing jeans and a white tee, and all you did to transform it was adding that one piece of outerwear and incorporating some complementary accessories. Super easy and very recreatable with what you may have in your closet already. Now let's say that you really need to dress up. You are a true functioning member of society and you have a business engagement, anything work related. You can transform your tee and jeans by adding a blazer. I have on my favorite leather blazer. And to play off of the black color of my blazer, I added a black belt and black booties. And to show that I mean business, I am tying my hair back in a sleek ponytail. If you needed to, you could definitely swap out the blue jeans for a pair of black jeans or even some slacks. That would be a super easy swap. But for the sake of this video, I really wanted to show you how you can transform the most basic of basics with some easy accessories. For the next look, we are going a lot more casual. I just have on this black denim jacket, and to accessorize, I reached for this black bag, and I wanted to show you another way to incorporate hair scarves. You can use them just to add a little something something to your purse. I kept the accessories super simple and just left this dainty choker, and I also got rid of the belt. To finish off the look and tie in the black and white color scheme, I have on these casual tennis shoes. I think that this look is perfect for any casual summer night, especially if you're going to be outside, maybe at a theme park or a fair. Winding down at our last outfit, I have yet another crazy, funky thrift store find, this awesome rainbow cardigan. And to incorporate more rainbow into this look, I have these beautiful hair clips. If you're looking to spice up some of the more basic staple pieces in your closet, a great way to do it is to head to the thrift store and look for patterned, unique outerwear, anything that expresses your personal style and personality. To finish off this casual look, I added my white tennis shoes. If you stuck with me through the duration of this video, I would love for you to weigh in the comments and let me know which of these looks was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a great time making it for you guys, and I hope you were inspired to dress up this very basic outfit that you probably already have in your closet. And remember, most of the accessories are super accessible and cheap. Some of them are only a couple dollars, and you can even find them at thrift stores. And also, all of the outerwear, maybe 90% of this outerwear, was all thrifted, so be sure to check your local thrift store to build up your accessories and your layering pieces so you can make the most of your closet. If you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up, and I would love to have you as a regular on my channel. You can make it official by subscribing. Until next time, I'll see you Sunday. Bye!